So you want to start a company and be a big entrepreneur that can change the world. But before you do that, you'll need to seek, effectively develop, and validate a scalable business model. Here are the steps you'll need to start your startup. Most people think it's having the right character and skills, but you just need to care about what you're doing. What are you passionate about? What problems do you want to solve and how? A partner may be beneficial, some say it's unnecessary. It all depends on what you think suits your company's needs. You can't go into anything blindly. You need to learn about the industry you're tapping into. Know your market. What else is out there? What are the gaps in your market? What can you do to solve the problem? Know your competition. Who else would your customers go to? How do you stand out? Are you any different from them? Why would consumers choose you? Market validation. Who would care about your product? Would anyone be willing to spend money on it? Sometimes this is called a minimum viable product. You need to have something to show people, even if it doesn't look the best. Not there yet. We still got more to go to. Plan out how you want to handle your business. Always have a plan to execute whatever, whenever needed. This is usually necessary for the next step. Capital, baby. You need money, you can't do anything without it. Here are some of the ways you can fund it. Angel investors. Usually they're a wealthy friend or a family member who helps fund your business in exchange for some equity in your company. Bank loans. You'll need to persuade them with your business plan before they agree to lend you money. That's why you need to be able to sell yourself. Look at all that green. ACCELERATOR. Organizations like Magic and Nexia provide fixed-term, cohort-based programs that include seed investments, connections, and mentorships to accelerate your growth. Crowdfunding. There are other options too, like crowdfunding and equity crowdfunding, but we'll get into that another time. Or you could do it yourself, and that's called bootstrapping. You could use your life savings or stay your day job and use parts of that paycheck to start with. Now you can make it official. Give your company a name. Have at least 3 choices. Only one will get approved for the company, but check if those names are available first. Fill in some registration forms. It includes the starting date of your business, type of business, and your personal details. Now submit it to the SURUHANJAYA SYARIKAT Malaysia. Don't forget to bring along your IC and registration fees. This can take up to an hour after your payment is made. We'll just clean that up in the meantime. And done. Of course, some businesses may go out of order in the baking process. That's alright too. There's no one way to start a startup. You can skip some of these steps or you can add more ingredients. I'm actually pretty proud of this cake. There's just one more thing. Be prepared to fail. Not failing is not learning. You need a fire in your belly to want to solve this problem because this means a lot to you. Don't give up on the first turn when things don't go your way. Good luck and stay tuned for more videos like these that'll help you on your entrepreneurship journey.